Hi everyone, I'm Sophia and this is my new Tesla Model Y customized by T-sportline. To start off, I got the TMaxx metallic uber purple PPF wrap. I got this to protect the paint of my car, to prevent scratches, and also just for the cool look of the purple color. To step up my car and make it look different than all the other Teslas on the road, I got lots of carbon fiber from the T-sportline sports package, including the front apron, the side mirror caps, the side skirts, the wing, and the rear diffuser, all in gloss carbon fiber. And just to make my car look even better, I got the 19-inch TSF wheels, also in gloss black, to make my car look extra cool and sporty and different compared to all the other cars on the road. And on the inside, I got one more accessory, the sexy knob. So let's go take a look at it. So right here you can see I got the sexy knob, and of course to match the purple aesthetic I made the ring light around also in the color purple. Obviously I chose purple to match the outside of my car, just like how I made the car purple over here on the screen, because you can make it any color that you want, and it only makes sense to make it match the outside of my car. And then with the sexy knob, my favorite thing to do is to turn on and off the seat heaters, because I use those every morning on the way to school. So I could just press the button on the side here and turn the knob to whatever level I want for the seat heaters. Some other things I like to do are to turn on the fan, to pause and play music, and to open the glove box if I ever need to find anything from in there. I can also just do that right here by pressing the button and turning the knob. To finish off the sporty look of my car, I got these Alpharex tail lights to just make my car look even more unique from the back and also from the front. And I'm not done yet with customizing my car. One more thing that I would like to do is to get some caliper covers for my car. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Should I get black in gloss black to match the wheels, or should I get in purple to match the wrap of my car? Let me know, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.